Welcome back to the channel guys, hope you are all doing great. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create a graph in Microsoft Excel, great for visualizing your data. So let's get started. First, you need to open your Microsoft Excel app on your desktop. Then first, select the data you want to include in your graph, including labels and numbers if you have any. For me, I'll simply select this much and you need to go in the insert tab over here, and as you can see, here is an option called recommended charts, as you can see here, and simply click on it. There will come a drop down menu. Then choose the type of graph you want, like columns, line, pie or bar. All types are here. For now, I'll simply select the common one, the first one. Excel will insert the graph right into your sheet. You can customize it by clicking on it and using the chart tools. You can keep it here or you can also resize it as much as you want, and that's how you can make a graph in Excel quick and visually appealing. If this video helped you out, leave a like, leave any comments if you have questions, and subscribe for more easy Microsoft Excel tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.